Hello everybody. My name is Ghifar Zulfajri. My NPM number is 192122282. On this occasion, I will explain about my research proposal about Duolingo and its effect to the learner comprehension. Begin with the background. Why I choose this theme because recent year, the use of technology like application and platform in education is very well improved in worldwide. On the other hand, in Indonesia, the use of technology in learning can be said it's still on a small number. It can be indicated due to the lack of updating the teacher and the lack of student exploration, especially in language learning, and the use of mobile assisted language learning MAL is still lack. And according to Ming and Nazara 2012, MAL refers to the use of mobile technology in language learning. Unlike traditional classroom learning, learners in MAL do not need to sit in a classroom or at the computer to obtain learning resources. In fact, MAL is a great way to overcome time and allocate location constraint when it comes to language learning. With this, the learner can achieve the easy way to learn English not only in the classroom but in everywhere you can access it. In this study, the researcher I am want to measure how many students know the use of Duolingo and knowing the effect for student skills or comprehension. And then next to the formulation of the problem, the formulation is number one. Did you know what is Duolingo? From where or whom you know the Duolingo? Can you use it and it is effective or improve your learning? After you used, do you have improvement in your English skills? And then we move to the operational definition. So what is a MAL? MAL or mobile assisted language learning. It refers to the platform that used in language learning. And what is Duolingo? Is in an American language learning website and mobile apps, as well as a digital language proficiency assessment exam, and it is a part of content of a mobile assisted language learning. And then the aim of the research and the purpose of this research to know how many pupils were known the Duolingo and did they know how to use it, and the effectiveness of using Duolingo in her or his self-directed learning activities. And then we move to the significance of the research. The result of the research will certainly be very useful if the use of the Duolingo is beneficial for students and teachers. If the results have been found, then this data will be input and consideration for the English teacher to add Duolingo to their learning process. And we move to the literature review. As Arancon, Arus, and Martinez 2013 define MAL as a teaching and learning methodology that the use of mobile phone or other handheld device with some form of wireless connectivity, such as phone, PDAs, and tablets, among others. And it is like Duolingo. You can access it by visiting the web, or you can download it by downloaded the apps by your phone, and it's provide all kind of mobile you can use it. And according O'Malley, Fofola, Glue, and Tyler Surf 2005 define mal as any sort of learning that happens when the learner is not a fixed predetermined location, or learning that happens when the learner takes advantage of the learning opportunities offered by mobile technologies. It means the tools such Duolingo is easy to use, easy to bring to anywhere you are going to, and you can access anytime you want. And according to Rahimi and Miri 2014, define mal is a language learning activity occurring through mobile device. And how with Duolingo, the student will motivate the students in learning English language, and as well as increasing the students' interest also skills. And according to Azhar and Nasiri 2014, mal is an innovative and interesting way to learning a new language. And then we move to the research method. The method of this research, I use survey research, which has proposed to gather or gain knowledge in fields such as social media and social research and demography. Survey research is often used to assess thought, opinions, and feelings. Survey can be specific and limited. Then we move to the population and sample. The population of this research of the students of 9th grade junior high school in my city, and the participants were 30 until 40. The choice of technique of sampling were using snowball sampling. Snowball sampling, also called network chain and etc., is a method for identifying and sampling the case in a network. It begins with one or a few people or case and spread out on the basis of link to the other. Like I send to one student, and then the students will share the links to another students in that class. And then we move to the data collection. The data collection using close-ended questionnaire to make more effective and efficient, to simplify the researchers. And the questionnaire are given with online using Google Form as a platform. To design the questionnaire, a recent study referred to the questionnaire adapted from Ismail 2014, and the last is data analysis. And for this research, according to the Latif 2016, the collected data should be analyzed by computing how many percent of the subject choose strongly agree, no opinion, disagree, and strongly disagree toward each question of the questionnaire. Then the data were analyzed by finding the mode which reflect most of the choice to conclude students' attitudes or student interest in my research, as it showed students' interest toward the issue. And to find the percentage, the researchers use the following formula, like the number of respondent learner who choose the option cross 100% and divide with the total number of respondents. I think it's enough for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.